Hi, Vansmo here. I got a request from one of my viewers who wanted to learn how to play the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So this one's for you, Gia. Now I'm not going to get into how to hold the ukulele or how to position your hand to make the chords. I'm just going to jump into showing you folks how to do the chords. Of course, if you would like a tutorial on some of the basics on how to hold the ukulele, how to place your hands, how to tune it, let me know. I'll be happy to make those tutorials. But first off, what are the chords? So Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, the key that I sing it in, starts in C. There's a lot of resources out there that you can go to find how to position your fingers on the ukulele for various chords. I'm going to use my ring finger and bottom string and 3rd fret. You guys can see that. That's your C chord. It sounds like this. Now, the next chord is the F chord. It's going to involve 2 fingers. Pointer finger is going to go on the 2nd string from the bottom, 1st fret. Top string, 2nd fret. Got those, an F chord. That sounds like. And of course the last chord is going to be the G7 chord. It's going to involve 3 fingers. Now, one thing with ukulele, if you've never played the ukulele before, and you're trying to use 3 fingers, almost guarantee you're going to run into the problem of this. You're going to be trying to place fingers and the 3 fingers are just, the ring finger is just not going to do what you want it to do. So if you're having a hard time, there's a little cheat that you can do. It's called the G6 and it's just using 2 fingers. So let's talk about the G7, the correct chord first, and then we'll jump into the cheat chord if you need it. Okay, so pointer finger, 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger can go 3rd string from the bottom, 2nd fret, and then the ring finger. This is going to be the tough one. This is the one that doesn't want to work. Bottom string, 2nd fret. It sounds like this. That's your G7. Those are the 3 main chords. Now, remember I told you, if you're having a hard time, which I think a lot of people have a hard time with 3 fingers to get that G7. What you can do, if you want, you can just use your 2 fingers, pointer and middle finger. So the pointer can actually go on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then the middle finger can go bottom string, 2nd fret. It's a G6. So it's going to sound a little different. Not the perfect chord, not exactly the chord you need, but like I said, if you're having a hard time with the 3 fingers, you can always go to that G6. Okay, so those are the chords. What we're going to work on next is putting the chords to the song. Okay, I hope you practiced your chords, because now it's time to put them to the song. And we're just going to use our C, F, and G7, or, like I said, G6 if you need to. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be calling out the chords and singing this song at the same time, so it may sound a little strange. Also, the other thing, at this point, I don't really care about strumming, and I don't think it's important right now to do the strumming, but if you really want to strum along, just use 1 finger or your thumb and just make 1 strum as we go through this. So, for example, it'll be like this. We'll do C, twinkle, and I'll call C again. So I'll call the chords every time we need to have our finger someplace. Twinkle, F, little. So don't worry, we'll go a lot slower. So here we go. You guys ready? So get in position for your C. Ring finger, and here goes. Okay, so C, and we're going to go twinkle, twinkle. So ready? C. Twinkle, and C again. Twinkle, F, little, C. Star, F, how I see wonder. This is the G7. I'm gonna do the 3 fingers G7. If you just want to do the cheat with the 2 fingers, This is what it's going to sound like. One, what you, back to C, R. So let's try that beginning again. Okay, and remember, I'm just going to be doing it 2 fingers, so that if you want to do the correct way, it's the G7, and you can do the G6. Okay, so ready? Twinkle, twinkle. So start again with the C. Here we go. Twinkle, C. Twinkle, F. Little C. Star, F. How I see. Wonder, G6. What you see. Actually, if you can see, that's actually much easier to play with the 2 fingers because you're just changing the positions of these 2 fingers. So, if you're ready for the G7, let's try that one. Here we go. And C. Twinkle, C. Twinkle, F. Little, back to C. Star, F. How I see under G7 what you and C. Now if you're a beginner, you've never used your ring finger, I bet you realize how hard it is to do those 3 fingers. So don't worry, like I said, anytime we do G7, you can replace it with that 2 finger. And from now on, I'm just going to use the 2 finger so that, like I said, I'm doing this for beginners. So if you guys want to go G7, go for it. But really, I'm going to stick with the basic, the super simple G6. Whole song, here we go. We're going nice and slow. Pick it up, pick up the pace, and see how you guys do. So here we go. See? Twinkle, C. Twinkle, F. Little C. Star, F. How I see. Wonder, G6. What you see. R. Okay. Ready? C. Up. F. Above. C. The world. So G6. So high. C. Like. F. A diamond. C. In G6. The sky. Back to the beginning of the song. Twinkle, twinkle. Here we go. C. Hold the C. Twinkle. Hold the C. Twinkle, F. Little and C. Star, F. How I see. Wonder, G6. What you see. Okay, you folks now have the whole song. Now, maybe it's time to do some strumming. So let's do strumming with 1 finger. Keep that finger pointed towards your instrument and just going down. Don't worry about coming up. We'll just be doing 1 strums. Real super basic 1 strums. Now when I call it the chord, that's when we strum it. So try again for Twinkle Twinkle, starting at C. Here we go. Twinkle Twinkle. C. Twinkle. Hold the C. Twinkle, F. Little C. Star, F. How I see. Wonder, G6. What you see. R. C. Up. F. Above. C. The world. So G6 high. C. Like. F. A diamond. C. In G6 the sky. C. Twinkle, hold the C. Twinkle, F. Little C. C, R. Hey, good job. All you gotta do is just keep playing that back and practicing. For those of you who are ready, how about we go a little faster? If you're not ready, stop the video, rewind, go back to the nice slow pace and follow along. If you're ready, here we go. We're going to step up the speed a little. We're just going to keep that simple strum. Ready? So, C. And twinkle, twinkle, hold the C, F. Little C star, F. How I see, wonder, G6, what you see, R, C, up, F, above, C, the world, so G6, I see, like a F diamond, C, in the G6 sky. Here we go, back at the beginning, twinkle, hold the C, twinkle, F, little C star, F, how I see, wonder, G6, what you see, R. Hey, good job. If you're ready, step up again in speed. Ready? Here goes. Pretty soon we're getting to the point where you're almost gonna be playing the song as fast as you can play it. So, here we go. C, twinkle, C, twinkle, F, little C star, F, how I see, wonder, G6, what you see, R, C, up, F, above, C, the world, so G6 high, like C, like a F, diamond, and C, in the G6 sky. Back to the beginning. Twinkle, hold the C, twinkle, F, little C star, F, how I see, wonder, G6, what you are, C. Yeah, good job. Okay, when we come back, we'll practice some strumming. We're not going to do fancy strumming, we're just going to do some really basic ones. I mean, you're already doing really good with just one strum. All we're going to be doing is adding an up strum. And it's really going to be a straight up, down, and up strum. Very simple, nothing fancy. So I'll probably go a little slower than that, so it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's really all you're going to be doing. Remember, just keep your finger going, pointed towards your instrument, and just up and down. So the tricky part is singing and changing chords at the same time you're strumming. So we'll see how I do. So that's our speed right there. It's nice and slow, starting at the C. Here we go. You're going to be down, up, down, up. Here we go. C, C. Twinkle, twinkle, F, little C star, down, up, F. Now how I see, wonder, G6, what you see, R, C, up, F, above the C, world, so G6 high, C, like a F, diamond, C, in the C, G6 sky. Back to the beginning and hold the C. Twinkle, twinkle, F, little star, C, F, how I see, wonder, G6, what you see, R. There you go, you got the strum, you got the chords, you got everything. All you have to do is just pick up the pace. So basically, practice what you just went through with the up and down strum, and as you get better and faster, you'll be great. Good luck, everybody. If you'd like to see more of this, let me know in the comments. Thanks again. Bye.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.